Hello, my name is Sharm Allen, your Knox County District Attorney General. When people think about the criminal justice system, they typically think of proceedings that happen inside a courtroom. You probably also know that a large portion of the work we do actually takes place in our office before we step into that courtroom. That work includes things like legal research, motion practice, and trial preparation. But did you know that the District Attorney's Office does a tremendous amount of collaborative work with our law enforcement and community partners as well? Our office serves on numerous investigative teams and task forces that strive to increase public safety for our community. For this video series, Outside the Courtroom, members of Team Justice will sit down to talk about the work that they do that people don't often get to see. Thank you for tuning in.
Here to talk a little bit about our veterans track within the Knox County Recovery Court and our office's collaboration with that court. Within our Knox County Recovery Court, we have a track specifically for veterans. It has been around since about 2013 is when that got established, and it's the Knox County Veterans Treatment Court. It looks a lot like our veterans or our typical recovery court. So again, we have weekly staffings of the participants of Veterans Court. They are also experiencing not only substance abuse issues, but also possible mental health issues. It could be coming from their time in the service, or could not, but they all share the status of having veteran status. So we work with them and our veterans that participate with the court. So they come to us from referrals from the court system, so they are all criminally justice involved and experiencing some of these issues as well. So we also meet with the Veterans Court weekly, in addition to our other community partners with probation, the judiciary, our office, the Knox County Public Defender's Office, and our community mental health and substance abuse service providers. We also work with the Veterans Affairs Department, and they provide representation there. We also have Vet to Vet of Tennessee, who also have a big part of it. They provide a lot of good mentors for our veterans, so they have additional support in the community. And they also will go through their process. We'll also go through similar phases of participation with our program. So we will check to see if they're eligible for the program, to make sure that they can participate, that we will move through the phases with them and celebrate their milestones when they make those, celebrate when they graduate, of course, from Veterans Court. And we also meet weekly just to make sure we're addressing any hurdles. Could be hurdles that they're getting services with the Veterans Association or other community health members, or just additional hurdles they can be facing from kind of week to week and day to day. We'll meet weekly for everybody, and then as the participants get further along the process, they may or may not meet weekly with us at the Recovery Court, but we are always working with them on a week-to-week basis, and we appreciate their service to our country and our community, and that's why we try to help them get through their troubles through our court. So.